Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be making a delicious and flavorful Georgian dish, chicken tabaka with adjika and tomato juice. So, let's get started. Begin by cleaning the chicken and removing any excess fat. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. It's a perfect example of how a few simple ingredients can come together to create a truly amazing and memorable meal. This dish is a true celebration of Georgian flavors and is sure to impress your guests. The chicken is cooked in a unique way. It is flattened and cooked on both sides in a hot skillet, which gives it a crispy and golden brown skin while keeping the meat juicy and tender. Rub the spice mixture all over the chicken, making sure to cover it evenly. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, place the chicken in the skillet, breast side down. Put the chicken under the press, so that it is flattened. Cook the chicken for about 25 minutes on one side and 15 minutes on the other side, or until it's crispy and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the skillet and place it in a large baking dish. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Add the minced garlic and fry for a few seconds until fragrant. Pour the garlic butter over the chicken and put the chicken in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. In a small bowl, mix together the Georgian Adjika, tomato juice, pour the sauce over the chicken, making sure to coat it evenly. Sprinkle fresh cilantro over the top of the chicken. Serve the chicken hot with your favorite side dishes. The combination of crispy chicken, spicy adjika sauce, tangy tomato juice, and fresh cilantro make this dish so special and delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.